Welcome back to Reynolds Runabouts, everybody. I'm Jeffrey Reynolds, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how I installed the repaired covering boards from a few episodes ago that had a lot of graving pieces. And while this video is not terribly long, it had a lot of sanding and fairing and planing that was not worth putting on a long video for you to have to endure. So I didn't do a lot of talking, did a lot of working, but it's under 7 minutes, so it should give you an idea of what I did and what I still have to do going forward with some of the fairing and sanding processes. So I hope you enjoy it. So I have the graving pieces in place, and then I put it back on the boat so that I can see under here. This is the part that I had lost in the original covering board. It was just, I think, just abuse and rot. So what I did is I brought it back out proud, and then I'll eventually be able to bring that down with a sander after I have the rub rail, which is missing, goes here, and then get that all nice and faired. You can see how much is missing right here. Just, it's gone. That has to be out at least an inch to get my rub rail. So what I've done is I've got one graving piece there, and here's the second piece that I did. That is ready to go. Thankfully, the rest of that is fine. This, unfortunately, needs a lot of work. So I'm going to leave this graving piece in place, put another one here, and then I'll have a third one here, and this will be done. And we'll have that done. Thankfully, the other side is quite good, and I'm happy that I won't have to do as much work. So I'm going to get that new graving piece cut out, cut out the old wood, put in the new graving, and keep moving. Here is the port starboard covering board. As you can see, I've got my graving pieces all faired in, and then I went ahead and hit it with the small belt sander to get it pretty close to fair. And then when I redo there's a rub rail that goes under here and it's feather edge. I'm trying to save the original, but uh, it's it's not looking good. Like in the back, I had to recreate that. I might end up doing the same thing. Again, it has its own special issues that I have to try to mimic using the old one, but I might just go that route to have new wood. It's very important to have that to be new and strong. It holds the aluminum rub rail trim, so it's important that it's strong, but also it has to be able to take a hit. And I'm not sure the old one has much life in it, so go ahead and do that. So you can see how the roll is back on here. Took a little work, but I'm glad I was able to save at least the inside rabbet. So I'm happy to say that this one on the starboard side is in a lot better shape. I have this one right here. I had to put a little stub on the end where the butt joint kind of got rotten. This one is in much better shape. So it goes right down to here, and this is where the one I just recreated and showed you. I'll have to do one here on the starboard side as well. But like I said, I've been down that road and know how to do it, so it should be a lot better next time. Well, that's going to wrap up this episode. Thank you for tuning in. At the next episode, we're going to go ahead and show you how I made the rub rails, which are below the covering boards, all the way up and around the bow, which was completely gone. If you're enjoying this video series, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're enjoying it even more, hit the like button. It's always nice to receive positive feedback in the comment line if you'd like to do that. And I'm going to return to the 2-week episode format now that I have a busy summer behind me in northern Michigan. I can spend more time in the shop. So I will see you in 2 weeks.